Hey everyone, I'm excited to share that my faceless social media accounts made over $20,000 in passive income this month. Thanks to AI, I built 2 big social media accounts quickly and turned them into a money-making business that mostly runs on its own. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your own successful accounts using various tools. I'll guide you from writing the perfect script to creating viral videos and turning those views into passive income. Stick around because I'll reveal secret methods to earn money in different ways, so don't miss a second. I promise this video is different from anything you've seen before. It will truly help you make money. Let's dive right in. The first step is to find an AI tool to create a video about. I use Futurepedia.io, a website that updates daily with tons of AI tools. After just 5 minutes of searching, I found the perfect AI tool to promote Sonora. Sonora uses AI to search millions of jobs daily and even applies to them for you. With today's tough job market, this tool is super valuable for people who are jobless. If an AI tool can change lives, your video about it has a high chance of going viral. To make money from all those views, you'll want to look for an affiliate program. After a bit of research, I found Sonora's affiliate program. You can earn $10 for each person you refer. Just refer 10 people a day to make $100 daily. And with the strategy I'll show you, this is really easy. After you've created an account, you'll start making your video. Before we make a video, we first need a script. What I usually do is search for information on the website itself and copy all the information from the website. Then I put this information into a Google document. After I've collected all the information, I go to ChatGPT and ask it to summarize all the information I've gathered about this AI tool. With the summarized text, I then create a script using Google Docs. I've created a unique prompt for this that you can also use, and I've put the link to it in the description. What's special about this prompt is that you only need to come up with a hook and a call to action. I have created this prompt myself, and it lets you generate 5 scripts with the same hook and call to action. After you come up with the hook and call to action, you then go to ChatGPT, copy and paste the prompt. ChatGPT will then give you 5 scripts that you will use for creating the original script. When the scripts are created, you then copy the whole thing and paste it right into Google Docs, where you use those scripts to create a new one by combining phrases from different scripts into one script. When the script is created, you then copy the text and go to an AI tool called 11 Labs, where you can create realistic voices for free. Copy and paste the text, hit generate, and wait for the voice to be created. After the voice is created, you then gather assets for creating the video. Go to YouTube and search for no copyright Minecraft gameplay videos. You will see a bunch of videos you can use for free. After finding the perfect video, you then copy the video URL and paste it right into Snapsave, where you can download YouTube videos in different formats. Choose MP4 and hit download. After downloading the video, you then search for demo videos of the AI tool. You can do that by simply searching on their website for videos or going to YouTube and searching for the name of the AI tool on their official YouTube channel. When you have all the assets, we then go to a free video edit app called CapCut to edit these assets into a video. Import all the assets to CapCut and start creating the video. After importing all the assets, we then add captions to the video. Click on Auto Captions and head over to Animations, search for a bouncy animation and select the free one. Then click the Start button and wait for the captions to be created. When the captions are created, you then change the style of the captions by aligning the text to the center and changing the font to whatever you like. I prefer the font Montserrat. Then go to the top and search for style. I usually like to add some shadows and strokes to my text to make it pop out more. When you are done with creating the perfect style, you then add some photos and videos as overlays that match the words being spoken. Here's a sped up process. After creating the video, export it with the highest export settings possible. Here's the video I created. AI can now help you with finding a profitable job. Sonora is a tool that uses AI to make looking for work easier. This tool looks for jobs and applies to them for you. This is not just for top-level workers. Anyone looking for work can use Sonora. It starts by asking you some questions about your job preferences. Sonora's AI then scans lots of job ads each day to find the ones that fit you. It applies to these jobs for you, and you just wait for interviews. Even more. Sonora can find job ads you might not see on your own, making your job search quicker and easier. Sonora uses both AI and job experts to help you look good to companies that may want to hire you. You can try it out yourself under my username. After creating the video, we are now setting up our own Beacons page that lets you add multiple links in your bio. Go to Beacons and start setting up your own Beacons page. Here's a sped up process. After creating the Beacons page, you then add the affiliate link to your page. When you're done with the whole process, you then test it out. If you've watched the video up to this point, you're lucky most people aren't willing to watch an entire video, which is why I added the most valuable information at the end, so only a small percentage can take advantage of this strategy. I'm about to share what you're going to do: create your own newsletter. It's an upcoming business, and I'm certain that it will overtake drop shipping and social media agencies. Only a small group of people know about this business, but I'm going to share every detail. First, I'll add another block to the page to include the link to my newsletter. To do this, I go to Beehive, the platform where you can create newsletters. Beehive is a great tool because it allows users to build and manage their newsletters easily. Once I'm logged in, I copy the link to my newsletter and then head over to Beacons, a platform where you can create a landing page with multiple links. I paste the newsletter link into the Beacons page, making it easily accessible for anyone who visits. Now the Beacons page looks much more comprehensive with the new addition. Moreover, this tool isn't limited to just one niche. You can use Beehive and Boost in various niches, including the lucrative crypto niche. By creating similar videos and content tailored to different audiences, you can refer more people to other newsletters and get paid for it. The possibilities are vast, and the potential for passive income is significant. A few people are already ahead of you, but don't worry, I've got your back. I've made a list of everyone who's doing the same thing, and you can find it in my description. One example from the list is an account that uses Beehive to earn passive income by making similar videos and driving traffic to an affiliate link. This method shows that you can make a significant amount of money by creating these types of videos. If I were you, I'd close the YouTube app and start this business right away. But remember, not everyone is destined to be rich. Here's some motivation. I made a video about Sonora AI and earned $150 from that one video. I've been focusing on finding new ways to make money in this time of advanced technology. By exploring different opportunities, I've discovered methods that actually work, and I'm excited to share them with you. These methods are not the same old advice you hear from every influencer. They are real, practical ways to earn money online. Implementing these strategies can help you start making money quickly and efficiently. By following the steps and applying the techniques I've shared, you can begin to see results. It's important to stay committed and put in the effort required to succeed. Consistency is key, and with the right mindset, you can achieve financial success. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about building a sustainable income stream that can support you long-term. That's all for today. If you stayed till the end, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We've got lots of cool things coming that you won't want to miss. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest tips and strategies for making money online. Take care and good luck. Peace.